This video demonstrates how to align signature fields to baseline, top, middle and bottom in the template using Sigsync Signature Editor. Use baseline, top, middle and bottom properties to move any signature fields as per your requirement. Let's apply the property for the social media strip. Select the table that surrounds social media strip. Select Baseline option. Preview the changes. Select Middle option. Preview the changes. Select Bottom option. Preview the changes. Select Top option. Preview the changes. Thank you.